knowledge it takes to survive the rest of the scenarios because you're in trouble.
Armed with only what's left of an avalanche victim's gear, Dave Canterbury and Cody Lundeen show what it takes to survive in the cold, harsh Rocky Mountains.
Do not screw around in Wyoming, winter, wilderness. You will not make it out alive. They'll chew you up and spit your ass out.